Legends foretell that whosoever collects 7 Dragon Balls shall be granted any wish they desire.
I don't think that's true.
2 more, and I get my wish.
Oh God, are those real? Ew, you're a fucking sicko, you know that? And a fool, too, for I am the most powerful of all dragons. My claws are spears, my wings a hurricane.
You really like gold, huh?
Obviously.
I can give you gold.
You can? Where are you hiding? Get off me, Wetsack! It cannot be! The legends are true!
I wish this dragon can have all the gold he can hold.
Oh, really? Thanks, man.
In his bowels.
My what? Oh, no. No, not like that!
Oh my God! I don't believe it! You actually rescued my daughter in time for her birthday! And you captured the dragon as prisoner? Well, actually, I had something else in mind. Oh? New Dark Fantasy Collection available now on the Dungeon Soup store, featuring gritty artwork of your favorite characters, hand-drawn by myself and Mrs. Soup, high on autism, so you know they're good. Get yours today with the link down below.